Nagpasiklaban ng mga kabataang manlalaro ng football mula Luzon sa Houseland FIFA Cup 2026 Football Festival sa The Villages Global Clark, Balaka City nitong March 28 at 29. Ang patimpalak ay inorganisa ng Clark International Football Academy, katuwang ng Houseland Holdings Incorporated, Clark Development Corporation at iba pang partners. Mahigit 120 football clubs mula Pampanga at karatig lugar sa Luzon tulad ng Ifugao, Baguio City, Batangas at Laguna ang lumahok sa torneo na dinaluhan ng aabot sa 3,500 katao. Kasama rito ang mga manlalaro, coaches, mga magulang at sports enthusiasts.
Because we as Filipinos, we as a people, we are resilient and that we can weather any storm. Even as, and I don't know kids if you can understand, but I'm sure your parents and your coaches do understand this time. That even as we now stare at a very tough time ahead of us, the significance of games like this is basically to do just that. To teach leadership and resilience among our young. Kayong mga bata, that young as you are, when you battle it out in the fields, when it is very hot, or when it becomes too difficult a challenge for you, ma-injure man, o mainitan, o masaktan, when you fall, you stand. When it is difficult, we fight. And this is exactly the message and the significance that we want to communicate. As a community, Houseland is there to support, specifically the football community, because at the end of the day, we are able to teach our kids the value of leadership and the value of resilience.
Unti-unti na umanong nakikilala ang Pampanga bilang isa sa mga malalakas sa probinsya sa bansa sa larangan ng football, maging ng futsal.
Again, before again, tama ka, no? It was Bacolod, Iloilo, that place, no? Yun yung sikat sa football, no? Ngayon, I'm very proud na Manila schools are coming here in Pampanga to have their tryouts here because they realize that there is a pool of players here in Pampanga. Actually, we've had a lot of players from SIFA who went to Manila with a scholarship, no? Like Sambeda, Lasal. So, well, my kids go there now, tapos Enderan. So, tapos some of our players went to FEU and UST. So, we're giving these kids opportunity na it was not even open before. So, yun yung ano namin. And they're looking at Pampanga now, not just football but also futsal pa because of yung football community here in Pampanga.
Programa ng SIFA is also to help our ITA community, and we feel like this is also an area where our ITA community, their skills, their talents can be nurtured, and I hope that you would also help SIFA as we are helping SIFA reach out to these people, developing the coaches and developing the facilities. I think it takes a whole community really to make your question happen. So to answer straight out, we are a basketball region known for that, and we don't intend that. The intention is not to topple it, pero I guess it's better now to say the Pampanga athletes, including football, we are one of the strongest regions in the country.
Bukod sa football, may iba pang sporting events na isasagawa sa The Villages Clark sa darating na mga buwan.
First, we love having events like this here. We have great partners. The memories made by the kids coming out here and enjoying the weekend here. We want to continue to do that. We have coming up May 1 through 10, the Babe Ruth Philippines Series, baseball, softball. Then in May, that covers May, June, we have the Flag Football International Tournament coming. So we're able to branch out and not just do baseball, softball, but also soccer, flag football, ultimate frisbee. So we have a lot more of these events planned throughout the year. And in terms of our development, we will continue to build mixed-use commercial area structures.
Samantala, inanunsyo na rin sa aktibidad ang paglulunsad ng Houseland Urban Estates Corporation at ang nakatakdang pagbubukas ng Hugh Grounds sa Angeles City. Isa itong integrated hub kung saan pinagsamang sports, wellness at social experiences. Pangunahing tampok rito ang dalawang tournament-grade natural grass football pitches na tutugon sa tumataas sa pangangailangan para sa dekalidad na football facility sa rehiyon. Bubuhayin rin muli ang Pampanga Clark Football Association na inaasahang palalakasin at pag-iisahin pa ang football community sa lalawigan. Ako si Jody Dizon Mercado para sa CLTV 36 News.